Hi, Rising Star. We are in our Piano Adventures book, our lesson book primer level, and today we are playing Tightrope Walker. Again, just like in the walking song, we have 2 sets of black keys. And we are going to go through, and the first time through today, we are going to say our finger numbers. Then we are going to say beat, beat, beat. And then we'll do it one more time and we'll say ta, ta, ta. And then the next time through, we're going to play both hands at the same time. Okay, so we have a lot going on this very, very short song. Okay, finger numbers first. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, let's do it again and let's say beat for each note. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Beat, 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 beat. Okay, now we're going to say ta. 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, 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 ta. Okay, let's put it together and see how this sounds. Ready? Both the right hand and the left hand at the same time. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. It really didn't have an ending. It sounded like it's still waiting for more to happen. Okay, that's the end of this piece. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.